Hello, today's warm-up for September the 9th. Number 1, there are 16 counties in Maine. Maine is a state, guys. California has 42 more counties than Maine. How many counties does California have? All right, so here's what we know. We know there are 16 counties in Maine. We know California has 42 more counties. So who has more, California or Maine? California. So I need a number that is more. To get that, I'm going to have to add these two numbers together. So 42 plus 16 is 58. Let's see if our answer is reasonable. Does it make sense that California has 58 counties? Sure it does, because it's more than Maine, and quite a bit more actually. And if you think about it, if you know where they are on the map, California is much bigger and has a lot more people, so that makes a lot of sense. Okay, number 2. Write 3,549 in expanded form. So remember, we're going to take that number and pull it apart and show the value of each digit. So we're going to take 3,000 plus the 5 is 500, the 4 is 40, and then add the 9. And don't forget what I showed you yesterday, the stacked method. So let's do that in case there's some people who need that. So we'll take the value of each digit and fill the rest in with zeros. So we'd have 500, 40, and then 9. And you can see that that is the same thing, it's just written out differently. Number 3, compare 6,298 and 6,928. It says use grid paper. You don't have to do that. We're just going to do use the inequality symbols. And so I'm looking here and I have a 6 and a 6. That's equal, but then I have a 2 and a 9. So which one is more? The 9 is greater, so it's going to get 2 dots. The 2 is less, it's going to get 1 dot. And we're going to connect them. 6,298 is less than 6,928. Looks good. And number 4 takes the same skill and does a little something different with it. I hope this didn't confuse you too bad, but I hope you gave it a good try. So if you did something wrong, remember you're going to write it in with me so that you can learn how to do this. Ainsley and her friends found 314 seashells at the beach. Which two numbers is this number between? So we're looking at the number 314. So I'm going to actually write this in between each of these. And let's see where it makes sense. Think about a number line. Does 314 come after 302? Yes. But does it come before 313? Nope. And I am marking that out because that is not correct. 311 come before 314? Yes, but is 312 after that? No. Is 313 before 314? Yes. And is 314 before 319? Yes. And I'm putting a check there because that one makes sense to me. But I'm still going to look at the last answer choice. Is 215 less than 314? Yes. But is 314 less than 312? No. And so it's easy to see which answer choice works for me because I know my thinking. I can see here why I mark those out and why I pick this answer. Always show your work.